Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use Zendrop with TikTok shop. So here you can see that I already logged into my Zendrop account. So first you need to log in into your Zendrop account. So once you log in, you simply need to click on plus connect my store and you need to click here, or you can click here to continue. Okay, once your store is ready, here you can see that open Shopify store plans. Then you need to go on to the Shopify. Okay, so now you need to select your account. Okay, click on confirm, select that. Okay, now you once you are here, click on switch back to store list. So you need to go on to your store. Basically, Zendrop work perfect with the Shopify, and here you can see the products. So you can add your products here, and here you need to search for sync with TikTok, or you can go on to the online store and you can find here you can see Shopify, and here you need to search for the TikTok. Okay, this one, select it, and you need to install that. After that you need to connect your Shopify with Zendrop, and your TikTok is connected with Shopify. So basically you can drop ship on Zendrop on TikTok from Zendrop. So this is the process you need to follow to use Zendrop with TikTok shop. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.